You see this? You want to unmute your mic if you can?
I can see.
What do you see?
I see the compass, the magnifying glass,
Uh-huh.
and the earplug.
Are you on the spaceship?
Yeah,
Can you describe what it looks like?
a lot of metal and buttons, like a command center in the front.
Is it big or small?
Big,
And
very big.
take a tour, enjoy it, and I'll come back to you and let me check with OG and see what he's finding. OG, can you unmute your mic and tell me if you're there?
Yeah,
What do you see?
I'm at the bay, like, like the loading dock, I guess, like where the ship is opened at the beach, and I can see like a whole, like another place, a whole planet, because we landed. I see like a whole eco, like architectural, futuristic type of city with my compass and my earbuds and everything. I was excited when I heard that CC was still in the locker room. I'm necessarily like walking and running around in excitement.
Yay!